Chapter 16. In the Azure soul it is all but over, for they have lost the compassion and the need to serve, for they are now based in their own attitudes and beliefs. I listened to Sot to explain the workings of the Grey. The Grey has come to take over the whole civilization in the one massive machine of unfeeling emotion based in negative mental polarization. The effects are creating a polluted and inhospitable world. The world is such because it is being brought to a disorder. The disorder is the nature of negative mental. It is based upon complexity and it avoids simplicity, for simplicity brings with it oneness, and in this oneness there begins the compassion. The coming together of passion to one cause and to feel the one force is the passion. To allow feeling to pass through. This is the nature of the need of humanity, and to find this is the necessity of all beings how are striking for the current and to live in the state of ambrosia. The future is apparent to all that have walked upon the world and know that when the compassion is restored the world will become a good place and there will be peace, and in peace there is fulfillment.